There, I just set it there. It will record me now.
Okay.
And hear me. Okay. We'll start A, E, I, O, U.
Perfect. Good.
Okay.
Okay, let's try the short ones. E, O,
U.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the one that you want to practice with. Then.
What about Y?
Sometimes Y.
Sometimes Y.
So you're kind of putting a hub Y instead of Y.
Sometimes what?
Yeah. What?
Okay, Y.
Y.
A, E, I, O, U, Y.
Good.
Okay.
And then the short Y is a yeah, right? Yeah, like yellow.
Oh, yeah, yeah. A, O, E, O, U.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's actually it's more of a consonant when
Yellow.
It's short,
Yellow. Okay. I can do this.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to practice your sentences too while that's recording?
Yes, down there.
They.
I don't know. I dropped it yesterday. They fly everywhere.
Oh.
I know they're there.
Yep. So let's try she is a singer first.
She is a singer.
Awesome. That was perfect.
She is a singer.
A singer.
A. She is a singer.
Nice job. Okay. Do you want me to say them first, or do you just want to read them instead?
I'll read them.
Okay.
Don't listen right now, okay, you in there.
What?
Don't listen.
Okay.
John, let the dogs out. I need a glass of water. I want.
Get both lips back. I want. Good.
To go to the store.
Nice job.
The dogs have to go to the veterinarian. My mother drives me insane all the time. That's not bad. John, let the dogs out.
Oh, this first one was right.
Let the dogs out.
Perfect. Good.
I need a glass of water.
Water.
I want to go to the store.
Good.
The dogs
Yeah.
have to go to the veterinarian.
Good.
My mother drives me insane all the time.
Good. Let's try insane.
Insane.
So yours is a little more just open, but try to pull back your lips.
Insane. Insane.
And the back part of your tongue comes up on that ain part.
My mother drives me insane.
Good.
All the time.
Good. Let's try time.
Time.
Good. Yep. Time. So your lips kind of come. Do you see how mine come back a little bit? Time. Sounds better.
My mother drives me insane. sane
Good.
all the time.
Good. Good.
Okay. That's my practice ones for now.
Mm-hmm.